worldwide interest in the trial in Belgium of those involved in the death of the thalidomide baby. The drug is also known as Softenon. Those accused, the family doctor, the baby's aunt, her grandmother, her father, Jean-Noel van der Put, and the mother who confessed to poisoning her armless baby with barbiturates. It's one of the most tragic cases ever to reach the courts, and no judicial verdict could lessen the sympathy felt throughout the world for this 25-year-old mother. A sympathy extended to all who have become innocent victims of mankind's failure in the control of medical science. At the Lyceum